So guys, I tried to do a Ryan Prim style tuning for worship drumming. So I'm going to show you guys what the toms sounded like. So I tried to get a two, and I had stock heads, but I tried to get, for the 10-inch, I tried to get 165 on top, 210 on the bottom. So notice I was able to finally get rid of that unwanted ring and resonance that I would always hear. So the snare wires is actually turned on. Now I'm gonna turn the snare wires off and show you. And I'm gonna turn it back on. You can barely tell the difference. And then to even it out with the 12-inch tom, I got 165 on the bottom, and I got 143 on top. And then I got close to 95 hertz on this, on both the top and bottom head of this. So I hope you guys like it. So yeah, I did my best to get the Ryan Prim style worship drumming tone. Now I have stock heads, but this Evans ring, these Evans rings, they're only $5 and they come in clutch. I always use them to control unwanted resonance and ring, but getting that deep tuning, it's not going to be quite like Ryan Prim's, but it's similar. Getting that type of tuning did help get rid of that unwanted ring. So yeah, this snare wire still on. Forward tom probably still needs some work, but that's why I always put. But it's still deep and fat. I like it. Like that, and then it falls and says, so let's in tune with each other.